Dr. Benjamin Torres here with another video with my man Alan Jaramillo. Here's how it's going down today, guys. We're working on squat mobility. One of the biggest keys to squat mobility that a lot of people don't address is ankle dorsiflexion. So what ankle dorsiflexion is actually bringing your toes up towards your shins, okay? In most people, this is really tight. Why? Because we sit around all day, we're driving for an extended period of time, we're sleeping for a while, and instead of having our foot all the way cocked back, it's relaxed down. So you get these tight plantar flexor muscles down in through here, and it doesn't allow for enough mobility for you to actually get into a deep enough squat. So one way of doing it is a quick manipulation. So go ahead and lay down on your back. Grab onto the foot. Push it up towards Alan, over across, back up, scoop down, and pop the fork. Then up, out, scoop it down, and pop the foot. So, second way, come on up. I'm going to get you down into a Chinese squat position, okay? So, feet are about externally rotated, just like that, actually. Perfect. Now you're going to want to get down into a deep squat. Perfect. Elbows come between the knees, pushing out, proud chest, up tall. Good. Now this position is kind of hard for Alan already, but preferably he'd want to lean in and stretch the right ankle, and then lean left, stretch the left ankle. Lean to the right, stretch the right ankle, lean left, stretch the left ankle. Come on up. If you had more mobility than what Alan does, what you could do is grab a kettlebell to get down deep into that squat position and then glide to each side, okay? The final stretch you can do, nice, easy, calf stretch. You can put your foot on a wall, just like this. Legs stay straight, bring your body inwards. So go ahead, Alan. Thumbs up, bring your chest, stand tall. Perfect. You're going to feel a stretch coming down the back of the leg. So there you guys go. That's a couple of tips to work on dorsiflexion to get deeper into your squat. Peace.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snow.